Welcome to Start Coding. Hello guys, today one of the interesting question in C we are seeing that is nothing but addition of 1 to n numbers. Initially we try to understand what is the question actually. Here they are telling like 1 to n numbers, like what is 1 to n numbers, like initially we will try to understand the question like 1 to n numbers n numbers means like what exactly here we are doing means 1 2 like for example here let us assume n is equal to let us assume n is equal to 5. Okay, then what we are doing 1 to n numbers like addition of 1 to n numbers means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is 1 to n numbers addition we are doing. Let us take one more example like 1 to 10 means same we are doing like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like so on 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 like this we are doing here in this logic addition of 1 to n numbers means this is we are doing here exactly. Let us take one more thing like 1 to 50 means same 1 plus 2 plus like so on up to plus 50. So this is the example here we are seeing how we will do like 1 plus 2 plus 3 by in simple we will do like if it is 1 2 3 we will do addition like 5 or 10 we will do simple. If it is 50 then for example n is equal to 100 or n is equal to 1000, then how we will do the addition. It is taking a lot of time to do like for that we are doing some logic here. How we are implementing logic, let's see here. I will explain the logic as well as so here I declared variable int I is equal to 1. Initially I am giving 1 here for I is a variable here I n and sum, these all are variables user defined variable names. Like if you want we can do any name here. Here I am declaring I and I is equal to 1. Initially I declared n is equal to 5, so n is equal to 5. This is for example we are doing here, let us assume. And here sum of the sum also is the variable. Here I am assigned 0, sum is equal to initially it is 0. I wrote one for loop I greater than n, I plus plus. You are seeing right. Later sum is equal to sum plus I. Just that's it only. In one line only we are applying the logic. We will do if it is equal to 100, 1000 or whatever it is maybe based on the integer range. We will give the value and we will do addition. 100 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like that. So on 100 we will do like based on simple logic only we are doing. Like how this logic work, let's see here. Let's see here. Initially what they given sum. Initially the come to the for loop. Initially I is equal to what it is, I is equal to 1. Okay, initially sum is equal to 0, both are in 0. I is equal to 1 here, sum is equal to 0. Come to the for loop, I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to n. N is 5 means condition is initially true. You are seeing right, condition is I less than or equal to 5, condition is true. It will repeat up to 5 times. Okay, condition are true, it will come inside. So it will do like addition, sum is equal to sum plus I, right. So sum initially is 0 plus I is equal to 1, total sum is equal to 1. Here sum is equal to 1. Next it will come to the next iteration. I is equal to 2 and here sum is equal to not 0, right. Sum is equal to 1, sum also increment, like incremented means we are doing addition. So sum is 1. Next condition will check I greater than or equal to 5 means I is equal to condition true, it will come inside. Again it will do like sum is equal to sum plus I, that means sum value here 1 plus I value 2, output is called 3 means now sum contains 3, right. Now sum contains 3. Next again it will come I is equal to now 3, everything it will check, condition also true. Again sum is equal to sum plus I. So the value sum is equal to now 3 here, right. Sum is equal to 3. So 3 plus 3, right, is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 6. Okay, next it will go to the I is equal to 4. Same, sum is equal to sum plus I, means sum is equal to 6 plus I is equal to 4 is equal to 10. Next I is equal to 5. Next I is equal to 5, means condition is true, you are seeing, right? I greater than or equal to 5. Okay, I less than or equal to 5 means condition true. If you remove equal to here, then it is false. If you are using is equal to also, means it is true. Now same, sum is equal to initially sum value is 10, so sum is equal to 10 plus I means 5, total 15. Now later I again I will increase, let's see, now I is equal to 6, and it will check the condition I less than or equal to 5. So this is the condition actually we are seeing, right? Here the condition already initially we given I less than or equal to n is equal to here 5. So I is here I is 6 and less than or equal to 5, that means condition is fail, condition is fail. So it will come out from the loop, it will come out from the for loop, and it will print the sum value. Finally what is the sum value is here 15. So same like this only, whatever the value you will give, like n is equal to 5, n is equal to 10, n is equal to 50, n is equal to 100,000, whatever you want you can give based on the integer range. So it will give the addition of the n numbers, it will give the addition of the n numbers. Okay, now let's see the output in compiler as well as. So same program, initially I declare I is equal to 1, sum is equal to 0. By default I given n is equal to 5. Same for loop I wrote here, sum is equal to sum plus I. Condition is n is equal to 5 means it will do up to 5. Let's see the output as well as. Okay, 15 means 1 to 5 is 15, like 1 to 5 is 15. So if you want we can change the value like 10 as well as, like 1 to 10. Let's see, 1 to 10 is 55, like this, whatever the you want you can give. 1 to 100, how much we will see here, like 1 to 100 is 5050, like this we will. If you want print clearly, you can print the sum in inside the for loop also. You can see exactly output as well as. Let's see, we will print inside the loop. Here we need to print next line, so we will get the clear output. This is the final output, this is the total sum. This is let's see here, it is printing one by one. If we take small, then we will observe clearly output. Let's see, we will take here 5 only. So 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, like that, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is total sum here you are seeing, right? 15. Total sum is 15. Like this we will see usually. So this is by default it is giving. So by default means initially only I am declaring the n. N value is initially only I am declaring. That is nothing, 5 or 10 I am giving. For example, user want to decide this initially value, I value and as well as n value, both user want to decide, like I is equal to, for example I need to do for example I need to do, let us assume I is equal to, also I am declaring like 2 to n is equal to, for example 5, means user want to decide these two values in runtime, that to runtime. Let's see here, for that we need to add just one step here, that is one is the print scanf. Through scanf here I am reading the I value and n value. I value I am reading, for example initially no need to declare here. Why? Because we are reading here. So I value, let us assume here I value, let's see the output once, like if we are reading the values from user. Let's see here, it is loading. So initially I want to do like 1 to 3, 1 to 3 6, total 6. Whatever the value you want you can give, like not only single one, if you want you can give the multiple values also. Let's see here, you can give, it is loading, like 5 5 to I want to do 10. 5 to 10 means it will give the sum. So 5 to 10 is 45. Like that, whatever the value you want, you can give. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching video. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. If you want to discuss any program, you can comment me. We will try to discuss those things also.